The web system will help you extend the power of Google Apps. That's what we do. Start the backup process. iArmor only has 2 files. Some accounts have many thousands of files. Click Settings. 2 files were imported. They can be scheduled to sync to Google. Let's take a look. Open your Google Backup folder, then open Documents. iArmor's do items were imported. Let's look at the doc first. Excellent. It opened up in the mainframe. Let's see if we can edit. Goody. Changes were saved. Let's take a look at that spreadsheet, but first, we'll refresh the Y tree so that the object count is accurate. Click the XLS. Let's see what happens. Life is good. It opened in the mainframe. I'm tickled and concurrently, pink. Notice that the header is in the first row, and that the data begins on the second row. You should also inspect the data, paying particular attention to the type of data in each column. Our goal in this exercise is to import the XLS into a PostgreSQL table, so let's give it a go. Select Google Apps Backup, Backup Google Docs. Move your mouse to the right, until it is under the green plus sign. Additional options will appear. Select Import to Table. Now watch closely, but do not be alarmed if you make a mistake. You are not altering your spreadsheet. You are merely importing the data from the spreadsheet into an SQL table. This is all possible because we are integrated with Google. Well, that, plus a boatload of programming. We will save it to root. The header was in row 1 and the data started in row 2. There was only one worksheet, but if we had more, well, no problemo. Select the SQL data types most appropriate for the data in the columns in your XLS. If your data has numbers within a column that may have a mixed level of precision, use double precision. Note that I changed the type for EE class to text. Why? I made a trivial mistake, that's why. I can change it back to string from text later, after it has been imported. PostgreSQL will allow certain, but not all, reassignments of data types. Text to string is okay. We will show you a couple of assignments, enough for you to get the idea. When you are ready, click OK. Yahtzee. Let's pause for a moment and review. So far we have backed up iArmor's Google Docs. Next, we opened a Google Doc within the mainframe of our web system and then did the same with a Google spreadsheet. Finally, we assigned data types and simultaneously imported the data into a newly created SQL table. We believe this capability is unique to the web system. We have extended the power of Google Apps. Now we will take a brief look at the table, and the data. This vid is part 1 of working with tables. There will be several additional videos for all of you data mavens. Go to Tables, on the Y tree. Select your newly created table. There is no shock that once again, I'm victorious. All of the data is present and properly assigned. I can resize my column widths within the viewer. I can do a quick, intra-page search. I can also perform simple sorting within the page. Do not confuse this page view sort with sorting via query. This sort is pure JavaScript and is temporal. As I said earlier, there will be ensuing video that will cover tables in greater detail, to include table design, keys, indexes, defaults, table triggers, etc. Let's wrap up.